Gemini, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're most welcome as well. So today's reading is going to be your June prediction. I feel like the music is too loud a little bit. Okay, so it is going to be a June prediction. Any message related to any aspect of your life will be taken and channeled. And before we get started with the reading, I request you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and also like this video so that it reaches out to more of the Geminian friends out there. Also, if you are feeling generous and you would like to donate, then my PayPal link is in the description box. And also, one more important thing, I'm open for personal readings now. So if you'd like to approach me, the email ID has been given right on the top of the description box. You can check that out. Okay, so on that note, let us get started. I would first like to tap onto your energy. Gemini, how you're feeling right now? King of Swords. So you are feeling like, it is impossible to please everyone in the world. Okay, that is how you're feeling literally. King of Wands is someone who cuts people off. Okay, so it seems like, Gemini, you have created, you have been maintaining distance from certain people because you understood that they are not adding value to your life. And nowadays you are in such temperament that I would like to speak the truth no matter what, because it is impossible to please everyone. So yeah, King of Swords means somebody who's very sharp, somebody who's intelligent, who's logical, who processes things on the basis of logic, and is very confident about the things that they are speaking, because they know that, because they have already processed things over and over in their mind, and they are confident about what they are speaking. All right, so yes, it's a fantastic energy to be in. Probably something had happened in the recent past, because of which you are in this energy right now. But your friend circles are becoming smaller, or maybe if it is related to your love life, then yeah, you are taking your space and you are not speaking much. You are only speaking what is required, and um, that way you are letting this person know that you are going inwards in understanding what is it that you really want. Okay, so yeah, but then Ten of Wands is here. Maybe yes, something that somebody had done in the recent past has hurt you greatly, and you are going through some sort of turmoil right now. You're feeling heavy. All right, one more. But yeah, there is that determination to move ahead, no matter what. Although something undesirable had happened to you in the past, it could be in your love life or your work life, but whatever it is, you are determined still to move ahead. Okay, or maybe in your friend circle, people, someone whom you had not expected to said something quite sharp, because of which you are feeling heavy. And now you are kind of leaving that person behind and leaving the friendship behind. Let's say you are not taking care of the acquaintance that you have with this person, and you are simply moving ahead, like moving on is the message that I'm getting from the Chariot. You could be dealing with Cancer. It could be Cancer who had hurt you. It could be, yeah, fellow Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so let's see what is happening in your love life now. Let us ask exclusively about your love life. All right, Gemini, love life. Temperance. It seems like this message, which I channeled before this as well, is also pertaining to your love life only. Because Temperance card, yeah, you are, trying to move on, and you are trying to remain calm and collected. You are trying not to lose your temper in front of people who are agitating you, you know. Illogical is what I'm hearing. So probably something that somebody said was quite illogical, and you found this person talking about you. It could be your battle with the karmic of this person in your mind. Could be, it could be a workplace situation, or it could be the situation pertaining to school or college or university. Yeah, some common place where all of you meet, and yeah, a tussle that is going on between you and the karmic of your person. or maybe some other girl or some other man who likes your person, this person in your mind, that is the person who has hurt you or something. Okay, or maybe it could be somebody else, but someone who's, yeah, in in relation to this connection which you have with this person, somebody said something which hurt you, is the sense that I'm getting. And temperance, but you are trying not to lose temper, like I said, and you are trying to move on from all of this because you're like, I don't want to remain in this bullshit. Okay, so what else? So four of swords, which means that, yeah, energy is heavy a little bit. Okay, so you are praying to god, you feel like you're quite wounded, your heart chakra, you feel like, it's quite painful, it's quite heavy over here. And um yeah, heart chakra is open, but then it's quite painful right now. you know Pain is what you feel in your heart. All right, so you are, right now focusing on only and only on your work. You are, if you are moving on, you are not moving on to next person. All right, you are moving on along with your work. You know that, you will be able to have that peace of mind if you are able to transmute this painful energy into your work. Okay, you have very good realization of that. You are quite spiritual, look at this, because of the temperance, okay, card over here. You are quite spiritual. You could be dealing with Cancer, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. All right, so what else? Yeah. hmm. This might mean that you have many options. You might be aware of it, or you might not be, but irrespective of that fact, you have options. So it means that, Gemini, you are right now such kind of person who is, like King of Swords, right? So whether you are in some sort of leadership, position or not, in your work, at your workplace, you have that innate quality of a leader. So you speak in such way, you deal with things in such way that people can see that leadership quality, shining upon you, and they are amazed by that. All right, it seems like I'm speaking to someone who hasn't achieved much, but who's already, like, in their attitude, in your attitude, Gemini, it seems like, although you might not be in a very, prominent position when it comes to your work or career, despite that you are very influential. All right, you influence people with the things that you say, with the way you carry yourself, with the way you take care of yourself, with the way you are confident about, your logic based conversations with people and dealings with people. So that makes you quite a standout, among the crowd, and you just shine through somehow. You don't even try it, and you just shine through, is the sense that I'm getting. Okay, so that is what is happening right now, and you don't know. It seems like, Gemini, you don't know, but you have many admirers around you. All right, but there is this specific person in your mind. So let us see how this specific person feels about you. Okay, let's see how they are feeling about you, how they are thinking about you, how is their energy towards you, this special person in your mind, their energy. The Star. Yeah, normally we read this card as the card of hope, but today in this reading it seems like, they are looking at you like the star. This particular person knows your worth, it means. All right, Gemini, this person knows that right now, you might be earning, not that high scale of salary, maybe, in your business you might not be making so much of profit, but no matter what, you are, born to be the star. and you already are, okay? You are such a star in yourself. um, you might be someone who's, trying to be a social media influencer, okay? Let's say in YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or somewhere, you're trying to gain followers, and you do have accounts and you work on that. But although you might not have too many followers right now, this person who's in your mind is viewing you like a superstar already. So this person really admires you, this person in your mind, all right? Wow. Yeah, they are looking at you like someone who's slipping away from their hands. They don't want that. They feel like you are slipping away from their hands. Okay. They must be thinking of the ways in which, wow. And they look at you like the marriage material. This is the marriage ceremony card. All right. They might even look at you like their soulmates or twin flame for some of you, because this card relates to twin flame as well. But no matter what, they see you as the marriage material. Okay. They really see it possible with you. They can imagine themselves, taking pictures and posting on these social media. They can imagine, themselves going out, hanging out with their friends, taking you to introduce to their family, and they feel quite comfortable when they think of that. Okay. Basically a marriage material. Wow. you know this card and this card together are simply telling that they want to have this celebration with you. Okay, probably they are thinking, how your engagement should be like, and how, or maybe just the proposal. Wow, I'm getting like, someone is planning for an interesting proposal. Okay, interesting way of proposing to you. Somebody is planning for, yeah, popping that question to you, but then they want to do it in the most unique manner, is what I heard. Okay, so somebody is really thinking about you quite deeply, and it seems like, Gemini, you have no idea regarding this. But that is how the manifestations come, right? You are putting in your effort, you are focusing on yourself right now. You are focusing on yourself, you are focusing on work. And yeah, for some of you, if you are trying to be social media influencer, then definitely you are putting in effort. No matter what, you are consistently doing that work. You can see that not many followers are there, not many likes are there. Despite that, every day consistently, you are, yeah, you're posting your content, and then you are not looking how many likes you are getting, how many followers are increasing. You are not looking anything. That is why you are unknown about, these manifestations that are coming. But then people are recognizing you, people are getting to know you, and people are admiring the amazing self that you are, the individual that you are. And that could be where this manifestation is coming from. Probably this person is seeing your growth. They can understand just, how persistent you are, and how you are driven by the passion that is burning inside you in order to, be successful and prosperous in life. You are being guided by that, and that is something that this person can see. They can actually see what you're driven by, and that is what impresses them. That is what I'm getting. Okay, and they really want to have this celebration, some sort of celebration with you. It could be like, popping that question without letting you know, and having their friends gathered and have that merriment. Okay, they're definitely thinking of taking that leap of faith with you, because it seems like this person can see how easily you can have anyone in the world. You can have anyone in the world, and this person wants you for themselves. All right. Wow. The Fool. Your energy coming off, but then, they're manifesting you. They could be, putting in intention in order to manifest you. All right. So I don't even know if I have to ask what is going to be the outcome. Okay, anyways. So, advice? Outcome for my Gemini, this person really admires you. They are looking at you like the star. This person cannot take their eyes off of you. Okay, you're quite adorable in their eyes, very adorable. I think you are going to be in the confused state for some time. All right, you wouldn't know about this change until the last minute it comes. And why I'm saying that is because while you will be in this state of confusion, this, love offer is going to come to you. This new beginning is going to be proposed to you at the time when you are not even looking, you are not, when you are least expecting. Look at this person looking elsewhere, and somebody comes from the back and taps on the back of this person and then says, hey, taps on the shoulder of this person and then says, hey, would you like to do this with me? Wow. So it's going to come when you least expect it, Gemini. I won't say anything more. I won't take out any more cards. What do I even say? You could be dealing with a Leo, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Aquarius, Sagittarius, Cancer, fellow Gemini. These are the signs that are coming up quite strongly. But Gemini, you are the sun sign. You are the center of the universe for this person, and there's nobody as important as you for this individual, and they will definitely come. So many indications. This is like one of the best readings ever. These two happinesses are going to enter your life when you least expect it, Gemini. So congratulations, what more do I say? So I'm very happy to have done such a beautiful reading for you. I hope it helps and resonates. If it does, please subscribe and like this video. Until the time I meet you again, I love you so much.